Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have 2 boxes from Imperfect Foods, and this is another order that was delivered by Imperfect Foods. I got the text this morning, then there was a link to show me where they were on a map, and then when it was delivered, they sent me a picture of the delivery. It's awesome. It's especially awesome because I wasn't home. So I could send Colin the picture and go, can you pick this up off the front porch, please? And now I'm home, but I have to leave here in 20 minutes. So I hope I can get this done for you and put it all away before I have to leave to go to the rink. Let's get these boxes open and find out what's inside. Remember last time we got one and there were like 4 things in the little box? Check this out. Can you even see that? What's in there? I know that they will pick up the box next time they come, should I have somewhere to keep it, but I don't. So there's that. We've got some colorful carrots and they're really small. I don't know if you can tell. They also feel very, very sandy, but they are rainbow organic carrots. And then we've got some ginormous Brussels sprouts. These are like maybe the biggest Brussels sprouts I've ever seen. Can you see, can you tell? Can you see that? And some red pears. Colin loves pears. And this box is empty. That's all that was in there. That's kind of ridiculous. So now on to box number 2. This one's heavy. I got some elbow macaroni, and this is not gluten-free, but I've had it before, and you know what? I didn't seem to have any issues. The reason I had it before was because Imperfect sent it to me by accident. I held on to it for a really long time, and I finally tried it because I was out of the gluten-free elbows. I make a homemade version of Hamburger Helper cheeseburger mac with grass-fed beef and fresh cheese and fresh milk, organic milk. What else goes in that? Onions or leeks. I used leeks this time. Garlic, beef broth. Oh, and tomatoes. Forgot about the tomatoes. And organic, simply organic Sloppy Joe packet, a packet of it. Do I have it? Hold on. I have one. I use this for the seasoning. I have also used like a chili powder when I haven't had any of that. That's what I put in it. The take and break, every time I say take and break. Take and bake garlic bread. This is so good. I love that stuff. I got more of these tangy Dijon mustard pretzels. They're pretty awesome, and I can keep them in the car so that when I'm starving and I don't have a lot of time and I can't stop, I have these. Nuts and honey granola. Because I've been eating a lot of yogurt, I like to add granola to the yogurt. I just made some pizza. This is to replace the pizza crust that I used earlier in the week. This is also the Essential Baking Company, the same company that makes this stuff. Oh, and you know what? I'm gonna go over my receipt with you at the end, so stay with me and I will tell you what everything in here cost. That's super important. Some broccoli, and this looks pretty good. Some spicy brown organic deli-style mustard, Imperfect brand. Oh, this is sad. This is a really, like, there's not a lot to this celery, is there? But it is organic celery, and I got more of the Italian style seasoning. And this, I wish they had had this a couple weeks ago when I got the Super Bowl delivery with the wings. I would have loved to have used this on the wings. I didn't really use anything on the wings. I didn't dress them in anything. A random grapefruit on top. I don't remember ordering pitas, but maybe I did. Colin likes pitas. I like naan bread. Maybe I ordered these. I don't remember. We're gonna check that receipt. Another grapefruit. So we have 2 grapefruits, not random. Some 7 sprouted whole grain bread, and this stuff is really good. This is Imperfect brand. I've been happy with it. They had the Fever Tree ginger beer. You know, this is the stuff we get from Misfits Market. They had this in bottles instead of cans. So I picked it up. These are a little bit bigger. I don't remember what the cost was. I think it was pretty equivalent, but again, stay with me and we'll go over that receipt. And in the cold pack, we have some organic baby kale. This is a little smashed up, but it's not bad. This is good. It says best if used by March 10th. Today is March 4th. I'm happy with that. And in my experience, this stuff actually tends to keep longer than what it says. And I got Colin some milk. Imperfect has the half gallons of milk. Misfits only has the quart. I'm able to get larger sizes from Imperfect. I was hungry. I got a quiche Lorraine, and this says, when is this good until? I don't know what that actually means. No idea. It says keep frozen, but it's defrosted. See, I don't like that. That bugs me. I do love quiche Lorraine, so I figured I could eat this for lunch, but I don't like that it's supposed to be frozen and it's not. Oh, there's more broccoli just thrown in here. Random. I got some these are Stone and Skillet original New England style English muffins. These are frozen, oddly enough. Colin loves English muffins. He'll try these. And then truffle cheddar cheese. This sounds really good. It feels like it's frozen. Why does my cheese feel frozen, but my quiche doesn't? Oh, Imperfect. Some of the 5-year-old aged white cheddar cheese. And I actually used this last night. I made some burgers that we had gotten from Misfits Market, some frozen grass-fed burgers. I topped them with this cheese. I used almost all of it for the burgers. The cheese is really good. I tried some of it before I even put it on there. Now, a couple weeks ago, you remember I got this hummus, and this was one of our Super Bowl snacky snacks. This was really good. This tasted like the hummus I make from scratch. This time I got this one too. So we have two hummuses. Is that a word? Hummuses? Is that the plural of hummus? More of the pepper jack cheese. And I love to put this on chili. So good. San Marzano peeled tomatoes. I've talked about this a lot, and I'm not going to talk about it again. I just love these tomatoes. I did also order some russet potatoes. Those are not here. I think they did send me in my confirmation email. They let me know that I wasn't getting those, unfortunately. Let me show you what this looks like, and then we'll take a look at the receipt. Over here we have our kale, our pitas, our pizza crust, the milk, the ginger ale's back there, and then we have the quiche, the hummuses, the cheeses, our vegetables are in the sink, and then over here we have the granola, the tomatoes, the pasta, the English muffins, the Italian seasoning, the mustard, that's back here, right here, and the pretzels. Let's take a look at that receipt. The grapefruit was 2 for $2.99. The celery was $2.49, and this is honestly some weak looking celery. That is not a good deal. The carrots were $3.49. Not a good deal. These, I mean, they're rubbery and they're sandy. They're not the best. The Tillamook pepper jack was $4.49. Italian style seasoning was $2.29. The pizza crust was $3.99. The broccoli was $4.49. This week, these prices are way higher than Misfits. The kale was $4.49. Now, for something like this from Misfits, it would usually be $2.99 or $3.99. That's on the high side. The truffle cheddar cheese was $4.99. The 5-year-old aged cheddar was $4.99. And this is 6 ounces. They're both 6 ounces. The milk was $4.99. That's a good deal for organic milk. And the expiration date on this is April 2nd. That'll last me for a little less than a month. That's pretty good. The hummuses. Is that the plural of hummus? I don't know. Someone leave me a comment. Let me know. They were $3.29 each. The Dijon mustard pretzels were $3.79. The tomatoes, the San Marzano tomatoes, those were $2.49. The elbow pasta was $1.69. That's a good deal. The brown mustard was $1.99. I feel like that's a little on the high side. It's not terrible. It's just a small container. The buffalo sauce, it's Primal Kitchen, and it's $5.99, which for Primal Kitchen is a good deal. Stuff is super duper expensive. The granola was $3.99. The ginger beer was $4.99. That, I think, is a good deal. The garlic bread was $3.99. The sprouted bread was $4.49. That's about what it usually is. The English muffins were $4.89. I feel like for 4 English muffins, that is a little bit high. The pita bread was $2.99. The pears were $2.79 for 2. That's high. The Brussels sprouts were $5.99. That's high. Now, where's the quiche? Did I see how much the quiche was? Oh, the quiche was $4.49. That's actually not bad. I just wish it was frozen. There's that. My total was $105.33. Tax, because some items have tax, like the prepared items. There was no delivery charge. Yay, there. Maybe that's why some of the prices are higher. Misfits does charge a $4.99 delivery charge. My total was $105.66. And there's a note that says we weren't able to get the following items: organic russet potatoes. They're telling me that I saved 93 pounds of food, which conserved 3,618 gallons of water and 254 pounds of CO2. Do you think I really did? I don't know. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Do you think this is worth it? Have you tried Imperfect? What has your experience been? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. If you want to give Imperfect a try yourself, there's a link in the description down below where you can do that. And when you click through that link, you will save off your first order, and I'll get a credit off my next order. Give that a try. It helps save you some money and supports the channel at the same time. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that wants to save money on their groceries. I post videos every week, and at least one of those is always an unboxing. So if you like watching this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. Happy eating. Thank you for watching. I will see you real soon. Bye.